Yeah, please go. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are
All
you?
good?
Yeah.
What's your good name?
Duke. You can call me Duke.
Okay, Duke. How are you? All good?
I'm fine. Yeah. Good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Sorry for delay, man.
No. It's not all good.
Thank you so much. So, have you drive before?
Yeah, I have driven on the right side, but like back to my home country.
Okay.
Not in here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Very good. So, it's like India, right?
Yeah, same.
So, very good. No problem. So, just your seats, you're okay with the seats?
Yeah, I'm okay with
All
it.
right. So, just check left mirror. Can you see one door handle in that mirror?
Yeah.
And can you see right mirror? Can you see both door handles in
Yeah.
that mirror?
Yes.
Which is good. Can you see all the headrest in that mirror?
Yes.
That means your vision is clear.
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So hold both hands from here.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Now show me the left signal from here. Like,
This
yeah,
is
put
the
it
left.
down. Yeah.
This is the left.
This is the left. Turn it off and top of the right.
Okay.
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 That's the right signal. Very good. So P as in parking,
Mm-hmm.
R as in reverse,
Mm-hmm.
D as in drive.
Okay.
Neutral and sports, we never use that. So forget about that.
Oh,
Okay.
Alright.
So P as in parking, R as in reverse, D as in drive.
Okay.
Okay. This is your parking brake.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we start,
Mm-hmm.
just put it down.
Okay.
All right. Very good. So make sure when this is automatic, right?
Yeah.
So make sure your left leg should be on the left footstep
This
over
one?
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And while driving, we don't need a left leg.
Oh, okay.
All
Only
right.
the right.
Yeah, only need the right one, and the right leg should be on the brake all
This
the
one?
time. Yeah,
Okay.
this one, and the other one is a gas pedal.
Oh, okay.
All right. Any doubts so far?
No.
All good.
Okay.
So yeah, let's start
Okay, so with the brake, right?
with the brakes. Yeah, press the brake, put
Is
it
it
in
in
drive. Yes.
Is it?
Can you see it in
Oh,
D
yeah. Now I can see it.
over here? Very good. Release this brake. Very nice.
Thank you.
So now we are going straight, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the traffic is coming from behind.
Uh-huh.
Let the traffic know you're going to start.
Oh, okay.
So give the left signal first and watch here 1,
Uh-huh.
2 and check the
Okay.
blind spot.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. That is your blind spot, that
Mhm.
means over the shoulder.
No, okay.
Perfect. If you miss this, that's okay. If you miss that,
Uh-huh.
that is also fine.
So they're not.
Never miss the blind spot.
Oh, okay.
If you miss the blind spot, brother, we miss the license.
Oh, okay. So.
So whenever you give the left signal,
Mm-hmm.
check the left blind spot.
Mhm. And
Whenever
then-
you give the right signal, check the right blind spot.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. So check again 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
If
3.
somebody is coming, don't go. If nobody is
Uh-huh.
coming, we can go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So, this
Leave
is
your
gas.
brake
Okay.
and just go like that and go. Make sure, brother, always drive on the right side.
Okay.
Okay, go. Don't worry about anything.
Mhm.
I have the control of the car.
Oh, okay.
Take it easy. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, if you don't see any speed sign,
Mm-hmm.
what's the speed?
I guess like within the community it's 50.
50. On the road is also as well.
50? Oh.
Okay, perfect.
So-
Now for now we are making a U-turn from there.
Okay.
Yeah, go to make a roundabout here. Give the signal to the left. Check the blind spot and go. Like that.
No.
Go.
That's in front.
Yeah, go straight. So we are preparing for G, right?
Yes.
Very good.
So I'm directly going on G, so that's why I'm like pretty.
Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. So we are making a right turn from the stop sign.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just give the signal to the right, mirror and blind
Mhm.
spot. And did you see any? This is the only stop, or they are saying something else?
All no parking and stop.
Like they are
Parking.
saying just a stop, right?
Yes.
Just only stop means only for you.
Oh.
Other traffic will not stop for you.
Oh, okay. So like I have to look for.
Yes, you have to look for others. First of all, we will check left pedestrian,
Mm-hmm.
right pedestrian,
Mm-hmm.
then check left pedestrian again. Nobody is
Okay.
coming. Go a little bit forward. In the right motion, check over there. Nobody is
Uh-huh.
coming.
Nobody's
No
coming.
traffic. We can go. We can go. Yeah. Make a right turn. Keep it in the right lane.
Okay.
Very good. Little bit speed up. Very good. Amazing. Go. So in the school zone, what should be the speed?
I guess 40.
40. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't see this speed sign, still it's 40.
Oh,
Because school zone, it's a 40 zone. Okay.
Okay.
So far it's 40. Very good. Keep going straight. If you have any doubt, any
Mhm.
question, any language, something,
Yeah.
please ask me 100 times.
Oh, okay.
I don't mind at all. Okay.
Sure.
So
Okay.
please, thank you so much.
So are we going to the highway
Yes, not
today?
today.
Uh-huh.
Let's see how it goes,
Oh, okay.
and we'll make a plan. No
Oh,
problem.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Now can you see the stop sign?
Yes, sir.
What it says? Read carefully.
All
All way.
way.
So stop before the line. Over here. Check left. Check right. Check left again. And go. We came first. We'll go first.
Oh,
All way means everybody has a stop sign. All way.
all.
Everybody has a stop sign from everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Who come first will go first.
Oh, okay.
But you have to check for the
Pedestrian.
pedestrians. Right? If you came first, you go first.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Do not take anyone's turn, and
Mhm.
don't give your turn to anyone.
Anyway. Oh, okay. Need
Okay.
to follow the.
Yeah, follow the
Right.
rules and regulations.
So.
Now
Okay.
we are making a right turn from the traffic lights, mirror,
Mm-hmm.
and blind spot.
Blind spot.
Very good. And now can you see this triangle sign?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is called the yield sign.
Mm-hmm.
YIELD. Leave your brake. Leave your brake. Go slowly. Avoid the traffic. Somebody's coming.
Yeah.
So lot of cars are coming. Stop here.
Mm-hmm.
And steering should be straight.
Oh.
Signal on.
Okay.
Very good. Keep it like that. And I want all the lanes should be clear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Make sure it's not our lane.
Uh-huh.
All the lanes
All
should
the
be
lanes
clear.
should
Okay.
clear. Okay.
Very good. And
Very
make
good.
sure whenever you checking those cars,
Uh-huh.
check those lights as well
Oh,
on the
nice.
top of that.
Okay.
What do you think? It's clear?
It's
We
green,
could go.
yeah.
We could go. We're good to go. Not now.
Okay.
Did you see the car?
Oh, sorry.
It's a lot of cars, right?
Yeah.
So that's the biggest mistake.
Okay. Always.
Now you can go. Go. It's okay. Very good. Always remember, all the 3 lanes should be clear. So go. No problem. Take it easy.
Okay. Sorry.
Hold the both
Sorry.
hands.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. We learn from the mistakes, my friend. If you don't do these mistakes here,
Mhm.
you will do in the test.
Okay.
Okay? So make sure do mistakes as much as you can with me,
Oh, okay.
not with the examiner.
No.
Very good. Now we are going to learn how to do the lane change. Signal to the left, mirror and blind spot, blind spot, and easy go like that.
Oh, okay.
And we still move our steering. Don't move your steering. Okay?
Mhm. Okay.
We'll do it again. Did you see the light?
Yes.
Slow down and take it easy. When you don't see this front line, like
Mhm.
the board line,
Uh-huh.
means you're good.
Oh.
Make sure you don't see that line. Stop here.
Okay. That's
Yes.
good, right?
Perfect. Can you move this the back little bit forward? Yeah, forward. Yes, like that. That's
Like
okay.
that?
That's good.
So which
What?
highway we gonna use like for the G
For the G,
Yeah.
we will do in Gulf.
in Dolph?
Yes, over there it's a 70 speed.
Uh-huh.
There is no highway.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Do we do any parallel parking too? Parking reverse?
it's a G test.
Yeah.
You will not get any parkings and all.
Oh, okay.
We'll follow the rules and regulations. You know
Mhm.
how to drive. We'll work on the rules and regulations
Uh-huh.
and just follow my guidelines.
Uh-huh.
We'll get in 2 to 3 days. That's it.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Just make sure. Just take it easy.
Yeah, okay.
Don't stress yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Don't think too much.
Yeah.
Just drive and we'll get it.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you see the green light, you can
Mhm.
leave your brake. Yeah. Go. Now we are going to do the lane change to the right signal.
Right?
Yes. Very good. Mirror. No, don't move your steering.
sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay. Don't say sorry. Mirror
Yeah.
and blind spot.
Yeah.
And
Then-
see, don't move anything. Just keep going. Gas pedal. Where is my gas pedal? Please press it. Turn it off. Yeah. Do not leave your gas pedal.
Oh, okay.
If you leave your gas pedal, your car will slow automatically.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So take it easy. Very good. So, you're doing a little bit hesitation.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that.
No.
It's okay. Trust me.
Yeah.
We got it. And don't go anyone's lane. Keep it in your lane. Okay. And do not watch the ground.
Oh.
Watch
Front.
as much as you can. Go more than for 15 to 30 seconds as far as you can. Watch that.
Mm-hmm.
If you watch that, that's okay. If you watch the road, that's a problem.
Oh. Okay.
You lose your confidence.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so don't not watch the road. And do not try to avoid the traffic. Watch the traffic lights.
Oh. Traffic.
Okay, and you will cover the cars automatically.
Oh, okay.
Okay, very good. Take it easy. Did you see that red light? But now it's green, right?
Yeah.
Take it easy. Very good. Keep going. Lane change to the left. Signal. Mirror and blind spot. And do not move your steering. Do
Okay.
not move your steering.
Uh-huh.
And please do not press the brake.
Oh, okay.
If you press the brake, our car will stop here.
Yeah,
So keep going. Turn off the signal. Yes.
I guess like I need to work on the.
It's okay, no problem. We'll work on everything. But can you see the yellow
Yeah.
light?
Yeah.
Slow down. Take it easy. Just do the pre-planning always.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Very good.
Okay. So like I'm just worried about the speed. Like.
It's not about the speed.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to listen to me
Yeah.
and take it easy.
Sure.
You're a little bit nervous. Maybe your first day.
Yeah, first day.
That's why.
Yes.
Okay, it happens. No problem. Go. So now I will ask you to do the lane change. Make sure you do not leave your gas pedal. Okay.
Mhm.
Signal to the left. Mirror and blind spot. Blind spot. And
Not-
just keep like that. Just think about the lane change
Uh-huh.
and you will get it like that. See?
Yeah.
Turn off the signal. Can you see the red light? Now
Yeah.
it's green.
Yeah, nice.
Just slow down. Take it easy for now because traffic is little slow. Now leave your brake. Okay?
Yeah.
Take it easy. Go. Make sure you do not move your steering at all while doing the lane change.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it will go automatically. Just think about it in your mind.
Oh, okay.
Think about the lane change in your mind. You will go. Your body language will go automatically over there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, perfect. Very good. And don't try to avoid the roads.
Mm-hmm.
Avoid
All
the
the forefront.
avoid that water's front. Very good. Can you see the red light?
Yeah.
Very good. Make sure you watch as much as you can. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Make a right turn from the traffic light signal. right signal, mirror, do
Oh,
not,
sorry.
it's okay, mirror
Yeah.
and blind spot
Oh.
and go, like that. Green means go,
Okay. We can
just
do.
slow down, take it
Mhm.
easy and make a turn, easy, leave your brake, yeah, like that. And always drive on the right side,
Okay.
okay? In Canada, please always drive on the right side, go, speed up, yes.
Green flag of Canada.
हाँ जी आके यहाँ बच्चे के साथ तुम करूँ Very good. Keep going. Don't wait for anyone, okay?
Okay.
Keep going. Don't worry about those cars.
Mhm.
Keep going. They have to wait for you, okay?
No.
If
Oh.
you're yeah, if they think you are like too far, they could go.
Oh.
Okay, they are good to go, but we should not stop for anyone.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Because you are going straight, right?
Mhm.
Who is going straight, they have a right of way to go.
Oh.
Make sure you watch as far as you can.
Okay.
Now see, the crossing is coming, right?
Mhm.
This is called the railway crossing.
Mhm.
So make sure, do not leave your gas pedal.
Uh-huh.
Keep going,
Oh.
keep going, and just check left, right. Just right and left,
Oh.
like that, and keep going. Do not leave your gas pedal on the railway track,
Mhm.
and do not slow down.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Very good. In the Gulf, we will get this railway crossing.
Uh-huh.
Make sure you should know how to
Oh, look.
handle that, okay?
Should I maintain like 60 or?
like maintain the 60. If you are going more,
Uh-huh.
leave your gas pedal for a second.
Uh-huh.
You will maintain the speed automatically.
Oh.
Yeah, like that, and press it again. Very good. Amazing. Upcoming stop sign, we are making a right turn. Give the signal to the right. Yeah, leave your gas pedal.
Mhm.
Yeah, mirror and blind spot,
Mhm.
and slow down and stop. And stop before the line. Not here, not here. Over here. Like that. Check left,
No.
check right,
Okay.
check left again, and go. Like that. Make a right turn. Make a full right because always drive on the right side.
Okay.
Yeah. With both hands. Okay, go. Yeah, speed up. And always drive on your corner. Where is your corner? This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Always drive on the right side,
Mhm.
but on your corner.
Oh, okay.
Don't come
Sorry.
to my side.
Oh, okay.
If
So
you
that's-
go this side,
Uh-huh.
your car will go.
Oh, okay. So that's why I was
It's a out of roadway, right?
Yeah, okay.
So it will go off road. So please take it easy. Very good. Watch as far as you can. Very good. Now you're doing good. Very good. Keep it like that. Now speed limit is 60.
Mhm.
Just
Slightly.
not react, just little bit. See, like that. Do not try to react on when you see the speed. Just tell your mind, and it will go automatically.
Oh.
It's all about your body language. Okay, can you see the red light? Yeah.
We're going front, right?
Yes. When you get the green, you can go. Go. Don't wait for anyone. Okay. When you get the green means go.
Okay.
G as in green, G as in go.
Okay.
Very good. Now show me the lane change to the right. Signal, mirror and blind spot. Blind spot.
Yes. Guys coming.
Okay, no problem. Turn off the signal then. We'll try it again, okay? So keep going. Do not slow down. If you slow down, you're blocking the traffic, right?
Oh.
Yes. So take it easy. Very good. Now watch the mirror first.
Okay.
Now signal. Now blind spot. Very good. And do not move your steering. Keep going like that. Amazing. See? Make sure you take 2 to 3 seconds to do the lane change.
Oh, okay.
Don't go right away. Okay? Keep it in your lane. Very good. You getting my point?
Yeah. Got it.
Perfect. Now you show me the lane change to the left, but near the intersection or in the intersection, no lane change. No activity, okay?
Oh, okay.
Lane change to the left. Yeah. Blind spot and go. Amazing. Very good. Keep it like that. And one car space like this.
Okay, one car space.
Okay? Yeah, go. Now show me the lane change to the right. Signal, mirror and blind spot,
Yeah.
and easy. Keep going. Turn off the signal. Amazing. See?
Oh, yeah. Now it's making more sense.
Now it's better, right?
Yeah, it's better.
So make sure you do it like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Keep going, no problem. Now show me the lane change to the left again. Very good. Now we are moving forward, okay? So when you start the lane change, you start from there, right?
Yeah.
But after your lane change you are done, make sure you watch this and
Oh.
ending here.
Oh, okay.
Just your head, not to do any activity. We could go. Easy, no problem. Take it easy.
Yeah.
So when you see the red, yellow light,
Mhm.
when you're too far,
Uh-huh.
you should slow down
Mhm.
and watch the lights from very far.
Oh, okay.
Okay, take it easy.
We can go, right?
Yeah, we can go. Go.
So, like, what do you mean by like
The yellow
after
light,
the, yeah, no, after the lane change, look over there and then there.
then there.
Oh.
So start from there,
Uh-huh.
ending over here.
Oh, okay.
So make sure you move
Yeah.
your head completely.
Mhm.
Very good. Did you see the yellow light?
Yeah.
And slow down. Press the brake a little bit and keep it in your corner. Don't come to this side. This is your lane.
Mhm.
See? And now see, watch here. How much space you got here?
Yeah.
See?
Got it.
Like that.
Okay. Always maintain the
Yeah.
gap over there, on that lane.
Okay?
Okay.
Because nobody's coming from that side.
Mm.
People are coming from
This-
going parallel.
Mhm.
You should not, just go close to them.
Okay.
when you're standing on the traffic lights,
Mm-hmm.
watch their lights.
Okay.
What is green? Green, right?
Yeah.
Now it's yellow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then
Now
it will be
red.
red. And now watch your lights. This arrow is only for the left.
Oh, okay.
Okay, who is making a left turn, they can go.
Oh.
But we are going straight, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we will wait for our light. Now we can go. Yeah, go, keep going, keep going. If you see the red light from here,
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest leave your gas pedal from here and slow down before.
Oh.
Leave your gas pedal
Mm-hmm.
and slow down. Press the brake little bit. Make sure you switch your leg. If you don't switch your leg, your car will not,
Oh, stop.
Yeah. So go a little bit forward. It's too far. Yes. Go.
I need to press the pedal.
Did you see the red light?
Mm-hmm.
Leave your gas pedal and switch your leg to the brake. Like that. And slowly, slowly,
Mm-hmm.
gradually. Okay?
Okay.
And if you see something, the car is coming, don't try to do that.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Don't try to do anything. Do not move your steering.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get panic.
Oh, okay.
Take it easy. And don't worry about for that guy.
Mm-hmm.
We can go, okay?
Yeah.
Now lane change to the right. Signal, mirror and blind spot and keep going like that. Easy. Turn off the signal. Very good. Now the light is green.
Mm-hmm.
We can go. Next traffic lights, we are making a right turn.
Right.
Yeah. Signal, mirror and blind spot, and keep it in your lane. And slow down because you are going to make a turn, right?
Mhm, right.
Turn has to be slow. Take it easy. Yes. Green means
I can
go.
Right.
Yes. Make a right turn, full right, and do not do it like that.
Wow. Right.
It's okay. No problem, no problem. Don't worry. It's okay. Take it easy. Go.
Okay.
It's okay. And one more thing.
Uh-huh.
Don't try to do it like that.
Uh-huh.
Move your steering
Okay.
just as you do.
Oh.
Okay? Go. Always remember, we will do the mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
We learn from the mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay? Go. That's why we are not going on the highway yet,
Mhm.
because we need some confidence.
No.
We need some confidence in the road and in the city first.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Take it easy. It's okay.
This is stop sign.
What it says, read it carefully.
All.
Always. Make a right turn here. Stop completely. Check 3 times. Left, right, left.
Left and then go.
Go. Keep it like that. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
You move it very well. Very good. Amazing. Slow down, take it easy. Yeah. And go. Make a left turn from the traffic
Left,
lights, okay? Signal, mirror and blind spot. Give the signal. Blind spot,
Mm-hmm.
blind spot. Yes.
Okay.
And did you see this arrow?
Uh-huh.
This is going left.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you wait here. Light is red. Over there.
Oh, there. Yes. I saw
Okay?
like.
Yeah. Stop here. Yes. Now it's green. Go in the middle. Leave your brake. Do not press the gas pedal. Just leave your brake. Now it's clear. We can go. Make a turn. Whenever you make a left turn, give the gas pedal. Whenever you make a left turn, keep it in the left lane.
Okay, left
Keep
lane.
going.
Okay.
Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Very good. Now, but did you see the speed sign?
Yeah, 60.
60. Make sure you go 50, 55, 57. Take it easy.
Okay.
Like that. And now come to the right by yourself. Signal,
Okay.
mirror and blind spot, and take it easy. As you know, very good. And keep it in your lane. Now
Okay.
watch over there, that mirror, that's good.
Okay.
You start from here,
Mhm.
you're ending there. Very good. Can you see the red light? Very good.
So should I like stop?
No, not slow down.
Oh.
Don't slow down. This is too far.
Yeah.
This is too far. Now you should slow down, take it easy, and from here. Make a right turn from the traffic lights. Mirror and blind spot. Very good. Whenever you use your signal, blind spot is must.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, if you are not using your signal,
Mhm.
you don't need a blind spot.
Oh, okay.
Whenever you're using your signal, check that blind spot.
Okay, behind
Very
cars.
good.
Right turn.
Yes. Green means go.
Okay.
Slow down, take it easy. Yeah. And whenever you make a right turn, keep it in the right lane.
Oh,
Perfect. And speed up again. Amazing. What's the speed?
60.
60. Lane change to the left. Did you see the red light?
Yeah. So is
One
this-
car space.
Yeah, this is enough.
Very good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Make sure you see the rear two tires of that car. Not only the rear tires, little bit road.
A little bit road too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little bit road too. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Can you see that, right? The
Mhm.
tires and the road little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it in your corner. Whenever you think your speed is going high, leave your gas pedal.
Okay.
Leave your gas pedal. And see, your car will control automatically and you will get more confidence.
Oh.
Alright? Take it easy. Amazing. Now again we are making a left turn from the traffic light. Signal to the left.
Okay.
Mirror and blind spot. And do not move your steering, okay? And take it easy, no problem. Take it easy. Did you see these broken lines, white broken lines?
Mhm.
Make sure you get in from there.
Oh,
We
okay.
cannot touch this continuity lane,
Oh.
okay? Very good. Red light is a stop, make sure. Did you see the starting point and ending point of that pedestrian?
Mhm.
The pedestrian is over there. He will
Oh.
go over there, right?
Yeah.
So we have to wait for him.
Oh.
Okay? So what we'll do, whenever you see green,
Mhm.
keep going in the middle. Go.
Okay.
Wait in the middle. Like that.
Mhm.
After this pedestrian crossing. After this pedestrian crossing, you cannot stay on that. Go forward. Go forward. Like that. See? You
Okay.
pass that pedestrian crossing and wait here.
Okay.
But we will finish, clear that traffic first.
Okay.
Pedestrian is gone already.
Oh, you can.
Okay? And now, to clear the traffic, then we will go.
Oh, okay.
And try to understand. Green means we have to, pass that line and then we clear the traffic, then you will go.
Oh.
If nobody is coming, you don't need to stop.
Oh, okay.
We can go, okay?
Okay.
No problem. and never take a chance, never take a risk on the left turn. When light is yellow, we can go. Go. Very good. Easy. Don't do rush. Take it easy. Go straight. Keep it like that. When the light is yellow, you have to go.
Oh, okay.
You have to go. Make sure the traffic is stopped from oncoming.
Oh, okay.
Okay, take it easy. It's 40, okay?
Okay.
Take it easy. Make a right turn from the stop sign. And
Oh, yeah.
this line is for the cyclist. We cannot touch that line. Okay? So stop here. Check 3 times. Left, right, left,
Left.
and go. You came first, right?
Mm-hmm.
So make a right turn. Keep it in the right lane. Full right. Keep it like that. Upcoming street, we are making a left turn.
Left turn.
Yeah. Make sure you stay away from the cars. Go. No problem. Stay away means someone can come outside any time. Okay?
Okay.
If the car is coming, you should wait in the middle
Yeah.
over here. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, still car is coming. Don't go.
Mhm.
Don't take a chance. Wait for a second. After this car, you can go. Yeah. Go now. That's fine. Yeah. Very good. Always drive on the
Shit.
right side.
Okay.
Okay, don't go in oncoming traffic. Always, whenever you waiting on the middle, make sure you watch where you want to go. Okay, make a right turn from the stop sign. Stop first,
I did.
check left,
Okay. Right.
check right, check
Then
left
left.
again and go. Yeah, take it easy. And do not watch the ground, okay? Watch
Okay.
the road. Do not watch the road. Watch as far as you can, like 15 to 30 seconds. We have to watch forward.
Okay.
Watch straight, okay?
Okay.
Very good. When the cars are, standing on the streets, stay away, keep it in the middle,
Okay.
okay? When you see any children, any kids are playing, take it very easy and slow down, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you always drive on the right side.
Okay.
Yeah. Only you can come in the middle when the cars are standing, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Still you're going a little bit in the oncoming. Please keep it in the right.
Okay.
Over here. Make a right turn here. If you don't have a stop sign, slow down and go.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to stop. If you don't have a stop sign, you don't need to stop.
Oh.
Very good. Make a right turn from the stop
Okay.
sign. Yeah. Full stop. Check left, check right, check
and
left
left.
again, and go a
Okay.
little bit forward in the right motion.
Okay,
And
nice.
do not stop. Do not
Okay,
stop.
do not stop.
Don't stop. We already have stopped. Nobody's coming. We can go.
Oh.
If somebody's coming, you can stop. No problem. Wait here. If the car is coming behind, yeah. If you think there is no space, no safe, don't go.
Okay.
Now you can go. Yeah. Now you can. Very good, friend. Very good. Make a right turn from the stop sign. Signal, mirror and blind spot. Very good. Stop. Check left. Check right.
Left.
Left again and go. Who came first?
Me.
You came first. You go first. Amazing. What's the speed here?
40.
40. And in that situation, you can use a yellow line.
Oh.
No problem. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Make a right turn from here. Yeah, don't touch this line and go. Now we are going to do the emergency stop here. Right signal.
Right.
Check the blind spot.
Okay.
And slow down and stop over here over the curb. Okay?
Okay.
Stop here. Stop the car. You're pressing the gas pedal.
Oh.
Yeah. Put it in parking.
This one. All the way.
Very good. Hold both hands
Uh-huh.
and turn it on. Because we are sitting in the car.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now you can relax and open your phone.
Oh.
Open the YouTube in it.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes.
Search for GIG car driving.
GIG.
Car driving. And this is a little bit your homework, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you, yes. Videos,
Mm-hmm.
all types of left turns.
Okay.
I want you to watch this
Mm-hmm.
3 times in a day.
All times.
Only 5 minutes
Okay.
work
Okay.
and 3 times in a day. And what else? I'll give you very small video.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a watch. Yeah, this is your route.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
G
this
test
is the
route, okay?
test, okay.
So send me your license.
Mm-hmm.
If we book the test today,
No, I already booked it. That's the issue.
when is the test?
Next this month, 23. I do believe like it's not that much.
No, 23 is fine.
Yeah, 23. Yeah, that's why
23.
like I booked it a little
We
bit
have a lot of
further.
time. Yeah, very good. No problem. So keep it like that
Uh-huh.
and make sure you watch that
Uh-huh.
and do not hesitate.
Oh, okay.
Follow my guidelines,
Okay.
follow the instructions,
Mm-hmm.
rules and regulations. Do not miss the blind spot
Okay.
and take it easy, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Take
The
it
thing
easy.
is like the one who gave me your number. Okay?
Yeah, Neeraj?
Yeah, Neeraj told me like you guys are like doing like package stuff like for 500. You guys gonna help me out?
No,
Is
so it's $40 per lesson
Mm-hmm.
and there is no package
Mm-hmm.
and it's a 45 to 50 minutes lesson.
Uh-huh.
And if you go with me for the test,
Uh-huh.
I'll charge $250 including the test route.
Including the test route.
That
Okay.
means I will show you the route
Uh-huh.
before the test.
Uh-huh.
Then you can have a better confidence.
Uh-huh.
Then you know which way we are going, how
Mhm.
it will be. But again, do not focus on the route.
Mhm.
Focus on the rules.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, if you follow the rules,
Uh-huh.
you can go anywhere
Oh, yeah.
in the world.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
if you do not focus on the rules, doesn't matter which route you're
Yeah.
going.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so we have to understand the rules
Mm-hmm.
and you'll get it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
any doubt?
No, no.
All good?
All good.
Thank you so much.
So, am I paying
Yeah, I'll
you?
send you my
Okay.
ID
Oh, okay.
and then you'll send me.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
take
Okay.
it easy. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Bye.
You too.